to write يا مروان every term in its simplest form. I showed you how to deal with the term like this. 5 root 32 بنقسم, we can make a divide. تعالى بيها. Thing. 5 root 32. ال 32 هنا الحالة عبارة عن 16 into 2. طيب root 16 into root 2 ده بيحصل كالآتي أهو مرة تانية. 5 وبعدين multiplied by root 16 بعدين multiplied by root 2 طالما ان هم دول 2 numbers اللي تحت. root 16 اصلا عبارة عن 4 فيبقى حضرتك اللي هتعمله انك you can multiply the 4 by 5 اللي هي تطلع 20 وفضل معايا تحت الروت 2. هقولها تاني. I went to see what is the root of the 98. مين هي الروت بتاعت ال 98؟ We found that 98 it's like 49 times 2. 49 separate, it will come as a 7. 7 times 5 equal 35, and the remaining it will be the root 2. Let's go for the next part. 3 root 50. How to write it? Negative 15. خلينا أنا همشي معاها. 25 into 2. The 25 will come out as 5. 5 times the 3 equal, and the remaining root 2. Next. What is the root 8? مين هي root 8؟ عبارة عن 4 multiplied by 2. What is the root of the 4? 2. What's the remaining? It's root 2. So the answer will be as follows. 35. All of them, they are talking about the root 2. So it's fine. We will collect everything related to the root 2. It's a 35 minus 15, which is 20. Plus 2, this will give me the 22 root 2. So this is the answer. Am I clear? Then I will do another question. Yalla, please do it in your own. ما هو انت هنا بص حبيبي. تاني. It's like 35x minus 15x. جود هي بالظبط كانها عباره عن x. So we are just adding the like terms. اتفقنا؟ يلا all of you do this question. يلا حبايبي كده answer this question. Hurry up. Hurry up. In this question, yalla, who can tell me how we will get the answer? In the first part, what's the story? 25 times 3. 25 will go out as 25 best will go out as 5. 5 into the 5 equal. So it's 25 root 3. Next, minus. 27 عبارة عن 9 times 3. And 9 will go out as 3 multiplied by 4 equal 12. And the remaining 12 be root 3. So we get the 9, the root of the 9, it's equal to 3. 3 into 4 equal 12. And the remaining, يا شيخ عبد العزيز, it will be 3 plus 48. Who can tell me what's the 48? حلو. 16 times 3. 16 will go out as 4 times 5 equal. So it's 20 root 3. Now, all of the equations talking about root 3. So we can easily find out the answer. 25 minus 12, 13. 13 plus 20, 33 of root 3. That's it. So we found out the answer of the expression. خلينا أعيد مرة تانية. What did we cover? We went through the first part. We spoke about it. It's how to make the multiply, the simple multiplication. We identify best the type of the surd, and we said the surd, they are not a perfect square root. So the perfect square root will get an answer. The root of the non-perfect, it's a surd. After that, we went through how to make the multiply. ليليان ركزي معايا شوية. Root A multiplied by root B, this will give me the answer as root AB. Root A multiplied by root A, this will give me the answer as square root of A squared. And root of A squared is equal to A. Next, 2 root A مع 3 root B. If there is a different number on the front, we have to multiply them together. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6, and then root AB. 5 root A مع 4 root A, 5 into the 4, it's 20. Root A مع root A بيطلع لنا root A squared اللي is equal to A. After that, we went to add the like terms. We are dealing with the roots as it's X or Y because it's on specific value. يبقى أنا عندي 5 root 2 مع 3 root 2 plus root 7 minus root 2. I have to look into the like terms only and collect them together. In some question, they will ask us to make a simplify first. So we have to simplify the expression or the root to be able to add or subtract based on the number. So in this type of question, I hope this becomes clear for you at the moment. Is it done? Type. This is the first half of the first part. لا هو كده خلاص ده كده last part. 13 plus 20 is equal to 33. يبقى غلط يا حبيبي، هتاخد زيرو. ليه تكتبها ليه يا بابا 11؟ هو انت يعني انت عايز تبدع من عندك انت تقوم مألف انت نيو ماثماتكس؟ ما هو ده كده simplest form. هو ال 33 مش عاجباك؟ ما هو رقم. ازاي يا ابني هتكتب 33 تطلع لك 11؟ انتوا بتطلعوا نيو ماثماتكس؟ طيب نعم. ليه؟ يا بنت الناس ال 9 دي will go out as a 3. It will not come as يعني هنا 9 دي كانت تحت الروت يا تالا. ال 9 تحت الروت. لما يطلع بره يا بابا هيطلع بيساوي كام؟ روت ال 9 بتساوي كام؟ 3. ال 3 لقيت ال 4 مستنيها بره، اتخانقوا مع بعض. 3 into 4 equal 12. So the answer is 12 root 3. Is it okay? Is it clear? طيب. Next part. نعم. I did not get you. What do you mean by switch? طيب. Next part. Next part. In the next question, I did already add and subtract based on the like terms. Now it's your turn to make the multiply. The multiply is easier than the add and subtract. Multiply, it depends on what we started with at the beginning of this class. We went through how to make the multiplication between the numbers and the root. And here, for example, we went through the main 4 parts. If I have 2 brackets and I need to do it. All of you at the moment, I need you to try it in your way or in your own way how to work on this one. يلا. Expand. يلا حبايبي كده أول سؤال. 5 into 3 root 2. Next one. 2 root 3 into 5 root 2 أو root 7. Next 5 root 2 into 2 root 2. يلا حبايبي find out the answer. Please don't use the calculator. In these types, please don't use the calculator. Try to make it mental. Number 4. Sir. على مين؟ Yes, but I need you to try it mentally. يلا. Try. Salma, stop talking. يلا. Answer this question quickly. بصي في steps لازم تظهريها في المسألة. نعم. Yes, show me. Keep the root, it's different, so keep it as it is. يعني don't هنا دول مش تحت root. They will not go into the root. These two together to be multiplied 5 times 3 is 15. That's it. Okay. يلا. Two multiplies 10. حاضر هنعملها حالا دلوقتي. يلا. نعم. اللي هي الجزء الثاني هعملها منه اكزامبل. يلا خليك معايا هنا. اولا the first part that we need to make a kind of a multiplication. طيب what is the multiplied here? 5 into 3 root 2. 5 مع 3 root 2. I have to multiply the whole numbers only. 5 مع 3 it's 15. بعد كده root 2 as a separate. خلاص I will keep it. In the next question 2 مع 5 is equal to 10. وبعدين root 3 مع root 7 they are on the same rule. It's root A into root B. This will give me root AB. يعني لو انا عندي هنا root 3 مع root 7 هيطلع الانسر عباره عن root بتاع 21. انا لو لقيتك بتتكلمي تاني هطلعك بره. Again 5 into 3 this is equal to 15 and root 2 will keep it alone. 2 and 5 this will give me 10. Root 3 مع root 7 this will give me the root of the 21. I'm dealing with the same type. It's like they have or you have to deal with the same shapes, the same type of the number. There is a whole number, I will multiply the whole number together. There is a third, I will make the multiply for the third together. يعني it's root 3 مع root 7 ده كده عبارة عن السكوير root, so I will make it root 21. That's it. On the other hand, 5 multiplied by 2, this will give me 10. طب what about the square root 2 مع السكوير root 2؟ هو in general this will give me square root of 4, which is equal to what؟ مين يعرف يقول لي square root of 4 is equal to what؟ 2. So I will make this one, I will replace it by 2. So the final answer will be 10 into 2 will give me the 20. Again, what are we doing? We are just making a multiplication. اهو تاني 5 into 2, this will give me 10. And root 2 مع root 2, it's root 2 squared. اللي هي repeated twice يعني اللي هي 2 times 2. طيب the square root will cancel the square, the 2 square. So it's 10 into 2, which gives me the final answer as a 20. Next question. Hopefully, please don't use the calculator to find out these answers. 5 into 2, this will give me 10. And again, root 7 and root 7, it's the same scenario. It will be square root of 7 power 2. Type, what about the square root and the power 2? They will cancel each other. So the final will be 7. Let me show it to you in steps. 7 power 2. The 2 with the power will cancel. Square root يعني with the power will cancel. And the remaining it's 10 into 7. يعني the answer is equal to 70. Am I clear for the first 4 parts? Is it difficult? حد عنده مشكلة في أول 4 قولوا لي. Do you have any problem with the first 4 parts? طيب. Next. What's the next scenario? I have to multiply these two brackets. Hashim is telling me it's different. Yes, it is. And we need to go through it step by step. So, root 3 مع root 3 وبعدين root 3 مع ال 5 وبعدين 2 مع root 3 وبعدين 2 مع ال 5. So, what will be happening? It's just like the first part that I started the class with. Do you remember when we have this question? This is the same scenario. Term into expression. Two expressions together. Two expressions, but they are special case because there is no middle term. And here a bracket to power 2. It's the same scenario. We will deal with that in the same way that we went through the first part of the session. So this what we will make it. Let's see this part. اهو تاني. علقت. Okay, in this part. It's missing. لا لا لا, it's missing. Okay. طيب يلا. We need to work on this question. What I have to do? There is a root 3 into the bracket. Root 3 plus 2 into the bracket. يعني بصوا معايا كده. Let me clean this one all. اهو. خلينا هنشيل لكم الكلام دوت ونعملها step by step تاني. الو. شوف يا ابني, شوف يا بنتي. تاني. In this question. اهو. حد بس يمليني الأسئلة. مليها لي كده يا وريهاني قاعد. سؤال رقم 5 كان بيقول لك ايه روت 3 into plus 5. بص معايا كده. In this question, what I should do, I have to work like it's kind of, we have to go through the numbers itself and to start make the expand. يعني هنا I will deal with that as it's root 3 into the bracket وبعد كده 2 into the bracket. So I will make the multiplication twice. يعني first part I will make root 3 into the bracket اللي هو root 3 plus 5 بعد كده plus 2 into root 3 plus 5. It's like we are doing a kind of expanding by the distribution. يعني root 3 مع البراكت بعد كده 2 مع البراكت. Let's go step by step. Root 3 into root 3. Who can tell me what will be the answer? root 3 مع root 3 هيطلع كام؟ root 9 اللي هي equal كام؟ 3. يعني هنا I can say it's root 9 or I can write it directly as a 3 because root 3 multiplied مع root 3 ده هيطلع لك 3. طيب after that root 3 مع ال 5. Who can tell me what will be the answer? 5 root 3. خلاص I did the second part. يعني I took the root 3 into the bracket. root 3 مع root 3 equal 3. root 3 مع ال 5 طلعت لي 5 root 3. طيب after I finish the root 3 مع ال bracket I will go to the 2 into the bracket. يلا ها 2 مع root 3 هيطلع لنا 2 root 3. طيب 2 مع ال 5 10. What should I do? I have to collect the like terms. يلا انا عايز اجمع ال like terms. 2 مع ال 10 او ال 3 هنا مع ال 10 equal كام؟ plus 7 root 3. Am I clear؟ واضحه القصه؟ صعبه يا شباب اللي احنا بنتكلم فيه؟ طيب اقول تاني؟ طيب تاني احنا اللي احنا عملناه I have a bracket into a bracket. I'll take the first part into the full bracket. root 3 مع root 3 plus 5. root 3 مع root 3 طلعت لي 3. طبعا انا الستيب ده اصلا مش محتاج له. يعني انت ممكن تشتغل على ده على طول اهو. root 3 مع root 3 مطلع لك 3. root 3 مع ال 5 هيطلع لنا ال 5 root 3. After that I finish the root 3 مع البراكت هاخد الاثنين مع البراكت 2 مع root 3 بيطلع لي 2 root 3 2 مع ال 5 بيطلع لي 10. طيب what's my next step? I have to collect me the like terms. 3 مع 10 they don't have a brackets, they don't have a surds, so we have to collect them together. 3 مع 10 equal 13. 5 root 3 مع 2 root 3 هيطلع لي 7 root 3. Am I clear? Difficult? طيب يلا let's go for the next one. هي الفايل ميثود ده اللي انا عملته. عايز تعمليها بالفايل على طول it's fine. طيب all of you try it in your own. يلا try to make this one by yourself. خدوا لي المسألة دي. أنا لو قلت لك إن أنا عندي هنا روت 5 ماينس استني هاخد واحدة تانية وبعدين أبقى أرجع لها تاني. ماشي؟ 2 روت 5 بلس 4 أو بلس 5 خليها. يلا يا حبايبي كده try to do this one in your own. This is the basic. ها؟ It's the step 1. يلا يا شباب. شاهد it's good work. بس محتاج يتظبط شويه. يعني عندك الروت مثلا الحاجات اللي انت عملتيها دي يلا مش مشكله يلا واحده واحده. done. who can tell me what will be the answer? I can multiply normally. يلا. root 5 مع 2 root 5. I will make it step by step. حبايبي look. 5 مع 2 root 5 برافو عليك اللي هو طلعت لنا هيبقى عبارة عن 2 وروت 5 مع روت 5 5. فأنا ممكن I can write it by this way. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. والروت 5 مع روت 5 هيطلع لي 5. So it's 2 into the 5 وبعدين plus روت 5 مع ال 5 اللي هي يطلع لنا 5 روت 5 وبعدين اللي بعدها هتبقى ماينس. انا خلصت كده ده مع الاثنين هاخد اللي وراها اللي هي ماينس 7 مع ال 2 روت 5 هيطلع لي ماينس 14 روت 5 وبعد كده ماينس ال 35. هنا بيقولوا لي ان احنا نقدر نعمل الفايل. Yes it is. يعني you can apply the file. It's fine. You can multiply first by first outer and inner وبعدين اللast مع اللast اللي هي طريقة الفايل method and this will give me the same answer. سلمى ابعدي عن النوم او ارجعي لورا. يلا. So let's write down the answer. 2 multiplied by 5 equal كام؟ 10. 10 minus 35. This will give me minus 25. يبقى أنا عندي هنا 10 مع minus 35 they are like terms. So we can or we have to add them together. So 10 minus 35 10 minus 35 will give me minus 25. Type the next part 5 root 5 minus 14 root 5. These we have to get them together. We have to add them together. يلا 5 root 5 مع minus 14 root 5. What will be the answer? مين يعرف يقول لي دول مع بعض هيطلعوا كام؟ 9 root 5. That's it. So we just adding the like terms. It's 10 minus 35. This will give me minus 25. 5 root 5 minus 14 root 5. This will give me minus 9 root 5. Done. Am I clear? Is it difficult? Do we need another one like this one or it's fine? Yalla, let's make another question. What's the wrong? ليه؟ هو 10 minus 35 ده هيطلع لي كام؟ 10 minus 35 يطلع يعني على الكالكوليتر حتى 10 minus 35 this will give me minus 25 وبعدين ال 5 root 5 مع minus ال 14 root 5 ده يطلع لنا minus 9 root 5. يلا all of you try to make this one in your own. يلا 2 او خلينا اعملها كده step by step. يلا root 7 minus 3 into root 7 plus 3. يلا الشاطر يطلع لي الانسر هنا. يلا يا حبايبي try it. يلا excellent صح. لا غلط 7 9 9 negative 2 right. So how to get this answer? Let's work on it. Let's say that I will apply the normal method اللي هو expand العادي او distribution العادي. How to make it? Look root 7 مع root 7 هيطلع لي 7. root 7 مع 3 هيطلع لك 3 root 7. Am I right? I did the root 7 into the bracket. طيب what else? What's after that? Negative 3 into the bracket. So it's minus 3 root 7 minus 9. How to find out the answer? 7 minus 9, this will give me minus 2. طب what about positive 3 root 7 مع negative 3 root 7? They are equal, but they are opposite sign. So what will happen? They will cancel each other. So this will be the final answer. Let's see again. Root 7 مع root 7, we found it at 7. root 7 مع 3 ده هيطلع لي 3 root 7. minus 3 مع root 7 هيطلع لك minus 3 root 7. minus 3 مع positive 3 هيطلع لنا negative 9. So what will happen here? Just add 7 minus 7 9 minus 7. I'm silent here. So we just cancel 3 root 9 مع 3 root 7 minus 3 root 7 دي will cancel each other. في ناس اذكياء هنا جدا بيبص يشوف. If you can see that the first like the first, second like the second, واحدة plus والتانية minus, he's able to identify that the answer will be square of the first minus square of the second. يعني ايه square of the first minus square of the second؟ يعني هاخد الروت 7 اعمل لها باور 2 هيطلع لي 7. والسكوير روت بتاعت السكند اللي هي 9 فيبقى 7 minus 9 على طول يا هاشم اللي هي هيطلع لي minus 2. اتفقنا؟ يعني انا هنا لو لقيت لان الرول ده بيفكرني بمين يا هاشم؟ بيفكرني بمين ده يا عيال؟ ركزوا معايا كده شويه. x minus y وبعدين x plus مين؟ y. لما بلاقي الاول زي الاول والتاني زي التاني بس واحده بلس والتانيه ماينس فالانسر هنا بيبقى عباره عن الاكس سكويرد ماينس الواي سكويرد. Am I clear؟ يبقى انا هنا كده طلعت الانسر اللي معايا اللي هو x سكويرد ماينس الواي سكويرد. Is it okay؟ يبقى تاني كده احنا to apply this one. يلا كل الناس لو انا قلت لك حل لي السؤال ده root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2. يلا حبايبي كده كل الناس تطلع لي الانسر. hurry up. hurry up. Excellent. So the final answer, if I can see that the first like the first, second like the second, واحدة plus والتانية minus. So what will be the answer? It's the first part minus the second part. So the answer will be, I can put it like that. I can apply this formula. What's the formula? If you have x minus y وبعدين x plus y, the final answer will be x squared minus y squared. The square is first minus square is second. طيب have a look at this one. Root 5 and root 5, this will give me 5. Minus second مع second اللي هو 2 مع 2 اللي هو هيطلع لي 4. طب 5 minus 4 is equal to كام؟ 1. صعبة الحكاية دي. يبقى احنا هنا كده طلعنا الانسر بتاعتنا او جبت الانسر بتاعت السؤال. All of you. Next part. يلا حبايبي كده all of you try to answer this question. Hurry up. بسرعة. Yes. Again, if I can see that the first like the first, second like the second, 1 plus and the second is negative, يعني 1 plus والثانية negative أو واحدة negative والثانية positive, so the answer will be the square of the first minus square of the second اللي هو عبارة عن 4 في 3 ب 12 minus 25 اللي هي final answer will be negative 30. طيب this was the second type. يبقى أنا عندي هنا تاني كده أهو. I went through the first type of the multiplication اللي هي الاكسباند العادي خالص. وبعدين we went through the special case اللي هو first like first, second like second, واحدة plus والتانية minus. I have the last part to complete this part today. It's if I have root 2 minus 3 مثلا all part 2. يلا if I have this bracket, who can do it? يلا try to make yourself or try to do it in your own without using calculator. You should show me the steps. يلا. Done? Okay. Who get the answer شباب؟ ها? Who can tell me what will be the answer? excellent. plus 9 2 plus 9 equal كام بقى؟ 11. ما هو انت لازم هنا تجمع like terms. So if I need to work through this one, what should I do? I will make the first one square يا عيال. الفيرست 1 سكوير اللي هو الروت 2 سكوير ده يطلع لك 2. ما انت عارف ان السكوير بيموت الروت. وبعدين هاخد التاني ده اعمل له سكوير هيطلع لي بلس 9. وبعدين in the middle what I should do first multiplied by second multiplied by 2. يعني هاخد هنا الروت 2 اعمل لها multiply مع النيجاتيف 3 والانسر اعمل لها multiply by 2. So it's negative 3 root 2 times 2 اللي هي هيطلع لي minus 6 root 2. طب الفاينل انسر هيبقى عباره عن 11 minus 6 root 2. يبقى انا كده خلصت السؤال بتاعي. Next. يلا another one. All of you try to make it. Root 5 plus 2 all of power 2. يلا حبايبي كده in the same way. Please try to make it faster. Excellent. هنا يلا نشوفها مع بعض بسرعة كده. It's the same scenario. طبعا even if you need to make it like two brackets beside each other and to make the distribution method, it's not wrong. But you should be like strong as you can do it in one step. You can make it in one go. So the first power 2 it's 5. Second power 2 it's 4. يبقى الأولاني power 2 بتساوي 5. التاني power 2 بتساوي 4. وبعدين first times second times 2 اللي هو هيطلع لنا 4 root 5. هقول كمان مرة. الفيرست squared it's 5. second square it's 4. first times second times 2 اللي هو هيطلع لنا root 5 مع 2 اللي هو هيطلع 2 root 5 مع 2 يطلع لك 4 root 5. طبعا لو كتبتها في النص او كتبتها on the left it doesn't make difference. يعني لو انا عملت ده كده 4 root 5 وبعدين حطيت هناك 4 in both will give me the same answer. It's 9 plus 4 root 5. يبقى انا كده we did the answer of the expression. We get the answer of this one. So again, your first step is to make the expand. You need to make the bracket to the power of 2 or bracket multiplied by itself. You have to make it in two different ways. Your mission at the moment, give me the last question. The last question for today's session. أهو يلا. 2 root 3 minus 7 all of power 2. يلا أنا عايز أشوف الشاطر كده اللي هيطلع لي الأنسر في السؤال ده. 2 root 3 minus 7 all of power 2. Yes. Excellent. Negative 28 يطلع. ها حد طالع الانسر؟ كام يا مروان؟ طيب يلا تعالى نروح نشوف الانسر سوا. The first part square. بصوا يا عيال لما اقول لك 2 root 3 power 2 معناها ان انا I will multiply 4 into 3 اللي هي طلعت 12. يعني 2 root 3 دوت all power 2 معناها ايه يا جود؟ 2 power 2 اللي هي بتساوي 4 لوحدها. وروت 3 مع الروت 3 اللي هو هيساوي كام؟ 3. فيبقى 4 into 3 equals 12. يبقى انا عملت كده الفيرست بارت سكوير. يبقى انا تاني الفيرست بارت سكوير اللي هو عباره عن 12 minus 7 ده باور 2 هيطلع minus 7 يا عيال لما تتعمل ملتبلاي مع نفسها هتطلع معاك positive 49 لانه negative 7 times negative 7 equal positive 49. طيب وبعدين in the middle بقى first times second times 2 اللي هو هيطلع معايا 2 root 3 مع 7 minus 14 مع 2 يطلع لك minus 28 root 3. So the final answer will be 12 مع ال 49 هيطلع لنا 61 minus 28 root 3. يبقى انا كده عملت السمبليفاي بتاعت السؤال. Am I clear؟ طيب where is your homework؟ Where is your homework? Have a look. بص عيب معايا كده هنا. It will be your homework here. اهو. الأسئلة دي not everything, just try with the first page, second page. الراشونالايز بتاعت الدينومينيتور we did not make it yet. So if you can make it, do it. If you cannot, we will do it on next session. So this is your homework. Bye bye. نعم. هبعته حالا.